All right, guys, we're back at the car wash. I have a green Laurel board on my 5-column vending machine out. I ordered the model 599 Max Retrofit Kit. We're gonna get that installed. Walk with me through this, and I'll show you how to get it done quick and easy. All right, so let's dive into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just rip this, the old Laurel instructions off of the board. Now, you can turn the power off, or what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the positive off, put a wire nut on it, take the negative off, put a wire nut on it, and then do the reverse when putting it back together. So, now we definitely want to disconnect power before doing anything else, because the board would still have power and we would be able to short something out. So either turn your power off or disconnect your power wires and push them to the side. We're going to remove the ribbon cable, and then we're going to pop this old board out. Now, there are plugs on the back. You can reach back here and unplug those. And it's just these white plastic standoffs that's holding that in there. So the board's bad. I'm not really too worried about it. So I'm just gonna yank it off. So we need to get these old posts out. So I'm just taking a pair of side cutters, cutting that off and pushing that back through. The kit comes with new standoffs, and you need to use the new standoffs because the old standoffs are too long to accept the new board. The new board has bigger capacitors on it. So we need to gain some of that space in there. So make sure you use the new standoffs that comes in the retrofit kit. I got the new standoffs here, and all we got to do is just reach behind and push them through. You'll feel them click through. All right, guys, we're going to get this new board in. Quick and easy. Just make sure you get your plugs oriented the correct way. They only fit on the board one way, so you really can't mess that up. So I'm just sliding them through and then getting them plugged in. Okay, so all of our old wires, wiring harnesses that stay with the unit are plugged back in. I'm going to plug my ribbon cable back in. All right, guys, so I got all the bolts loosened up holding this door on this piano hinge. Honestly, I took all the bottom ones out. I left just this top one in. I'm going to show you how to get this done by yourself. So if you just basically rest this against yourself, take that top nut off, pull. Real quick here, what we're going to do is I just got a pair of vice grips. There's this directional plate inside to make sure that your trees fall out. So I'm just going to take a pair of vice grips, make sure my holes are lined up, and just kind of hold that in place so I don't have to worry about that moving or falling on my foot. All right, guys, let's get this door on. So I'm going to slide one of the new bolts, little carriage bolts supplied with the kit. All the hardware supplied, all new hardware. I'm just going to hold the door up in place. Again, I'm supporting that with my leg. Get that first one started. Now this is held in place with that hardware. I'm going to take that off, grab another set of hardware. All right, guys. So obviously I don't have them all in, but for video purposes, we're going to stop there, and I'm going to show you how to hook up the CryptoPay. The door's mounted. It's time to get this CryptoPay hooked up. So it comes already pre-done on the door. And what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to plug this into the board first. It's about right here on that board. And you're going to feel it click in place. All right, I got a couple zip ties here and these stick backs to hold the wire in place. And you can see how they did it here on the door. And we're just going to follow suit right across the top here. Now I plugged that in first so that I know where that wire goes and I know how much wire I need to support up top. So I'm going to take the zip tie, and I'm actually going to tighten that down pretty good right out here in the open. Peel that stick back off. Cut the tag end off. Looks like we probably need maybe one more here up top. Now you can see I'm kind of pulling that a little tight there before I put it up, because I don't want that wire to droop down on the product or on my shelving mechanisms. So that's nice and tight, flush up there, stick back off, and that's it. We're gonna finish this up here quick. I'm gonna get the power hooked back up. Now remember, if you wire nutted your wires because you left the power on, negative first. You always want to put the negative on first. There we go. All right, guys, last but not least, the new protection film and price selection directions for the new DigiMax board that we just put in as part of this kit. We're just going to peel that stick back off. Remember, we ripped that old one off first, and we're going to stick that bad boy fast. Make sure that your window's lined up to allow your display to come through the door, and just follow the instructions on that, on changing your prices. Don't forget, overlays are not included in the kit, so remember to get your overlays when you order the retrofit kit. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this retrofit kit install. We had the CryptoPay swiper, we got the new DigiMax board. This is a 5-column tree machine. They make these retrofit kits for pretty much all the machines out there. If you need one, give us a call. We'll get you fixed up. If you have any questions about Laurel vending machines or vending in general, give us a call at Kleen-Rite and we'll get you fixed up.